right, I got a table named temp, and I got 3 columns in it: F name, L name, and address. And I'm not satisfied with the name address. I want to change it for whatever reasons, right? And when I try this command, alter table, and then the table name, rename a column address to address, for example. Now I'm going to change it to, let's say, location. And this command does not work. If I go ahead and execute this command, I get this error: incorrect syntax near rename. So it doesn't take it. So what you're going to do, first thing, is that you need to understand that it's transact SQL and it's not MySQL, right? Had it been MySQL, you would have been able to run this command. But here in this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you are actually using transact SQL. And that's why this is not going to work. So as an alternative, we're going to use the stored procedure sp_rename. Right, so we're going to say sp_rename, and then we're going to mention the old column name, which would be temp.address, and then we want to change it with location, and then the change has to be made and the column. And that's pretty much it. If I go ahead and execute this now, all right, no problem. So I'm going to say select start from temp again, and it is changed to location now, as you can see, right? That's pretty much it you got to do. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comments section. I'll be very happy to help. Now I just need one thing from you. Kindly consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you so much. Goodbye.